Welcome back again in a new video. In this video, I will talk about querying, filtering, and summarizing the data. How you can query apply on the database, table, how you can filter data of the tables, and a lot of things regarding the filtering and querying operation I will perform here. It will help you to understand the how operations are performed in the databases. So let's have a look. So all these operation have performed in a previous video. So let's clear this. For clearing it, I have a very simple syntax here. Syntax system dot cls. Okay, cls you will have appear on your screen. Everything have been clear, right? So let's show the databases, right? These are three columns and four columns are present. One is id, right? Now what you can do, if you have to find out only the name, then you will have to write the select name from students. This is another way to find out the table data, means retrieving the data. Querying means filtering, how you can filter out. This is another syntax that you have to keep in mind, right? When you hit it, you will find out only the single column data. If you have to multiple column data to find out, by using this syntax select from select, after that you can write the name, my age, comma, my email from student, right? When you hit the enter, you will find only three column. You can see here the students, that's name is Santosh Kumar. My age is null because in a previous video I had deleted this. If you have to enter, I also will teach you how you can enter this data, right? So this was like this, and now you have to filtering the data, my age according to age or whatever. Before performing another something else, let's enter the another data, some data that can be useful to aggregate the operation. So I'm going to insert the data inside the table, so it will be useful for operation, right? So how to insert the data? So insert into where students, right? Uh, Write here name, my age, and my email, right? And values, what values you are inserting, the like the Vikas Kumar, comma, age 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 is 20, comma, email Vikas Kumar at gmail.com, like this. But one thing you have to keep in mind, this will be in a single quotation, because at gmail.com, and bracket close and colon, hit the enter. Query OK, one row affected. It means this data has been inserted. Update students, set my age age 21 where id 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 is equal 1. Now it's affected. Update student, set my age 21 where id is 1. So it will get affected, means checkout, select from students, right? Now it's 21. Now you also have to insert here where null data, means if my email is null, the same method you have to apply here. Update like students with table name and set my email, what email id, like Anil Kumar at gmail.com, any single quotation where my email is null, right? Let's check out, it should work. It's work. Select from students, right? Now data has been inserted, right? So we were learning about the aggregate, querying, filtering something. May select from students, okay, where age, my age, my age, already you have to write here the column, my age is 20, less than 21, okay, less than, my age is greater than 20 also, we can say, we can say here, if you check out which is the greater than 20 data, it will fetch it. Here you can see that Santosh Kumar age is 21 and email is this. This way you can fetch out any data which you want, means 21 to more than data. If you have in a database, this will fetch. If you want to less than 21, then it will also fetch. Suppose select from students where my age is less than 21, please give me, then it will give. Here you can see the Vikas Kumar age is 20 and vikas at gmail.com is available in a database. So this is the way to figure out the table data. I means filtering out the data. Okay. So I hope you understand. Let's move on the another way or to querying the data in a table. So we have another way to order by, means ordered. I have a very less data in this table, so we can, no, we can apply, but it is automatically in the order. So order means ascending order, descending order. Suppose select from students, you will say Santosh Kumar and Vikas Kumar. Two people are present in the table, right? And I want this table, okay? So you will have to write like this, select from student, right? Order by age. Age I want in order, right? My age in DESC, descending order. So this is also descending order. So if you hit, you will see the same answer. Ascending order, if you select students order by. Order means in order, ascending. Order by. Have some mistakes, means ascending or descending. ASC we have to write, it seems to me. Select from students ordered by my age ASC. Now you can see this is ascending order, it's given, okay? So order by means which order you want to your data, this will give. And that's it, it have a very simple formula. So let's move on the next one, that is limit. Which limit means, which means only 5 column you need, it will give only 5. Select limited column means here what you're doing, selecting from students, right? It is giving whole data. If you want limited data, you have two data, you only need one data, then it will give only one data. Select from students limit, right? Limit 1, only one data you found in a search means select from students limit 1. And if you right here select from students limit 2, then you will get 2, means more data, whatever data you will have, you will find. I hope you will get understand. Let's move on another topic, that is called offset. Means is keeping the uh, rows, is keeping the rows. Means after 5, after 2 we want, suppose after 1 1 we want, then means 5, or after 1 means from 1 have to skip and second one we need, then it is used. Okay, so you can write like select from students, right? And you have to write like uh, limit, 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 right? Number 1, limit number 1 means number 1 data we do need. Offset, offset start from 2, right? Let's see what's give. Empty means 2 after we don't have a data, so we have to select from students limit 1 offset 1, right? You can see the means it is escaping the row, means 1 of 1 means 1 instead all the data we needed, so it will give you the data that you needed, means one row you don't need, and instead of data present in the table you have required, that data you will get from by using the offset. I hope you will get understand the filtering, some querying about the databases and table. You learn also how to insert the data in a specific column, and how to delete a data in specific column, and how to make order in order ascending and descending, how to select column, how to select all the rows, right? You also have learned the deletion, updation also. I will meet you in a next video where I will talk about aggregate function, how it's work in very detail.